Hello, today it's a request and it's going to be a very short video just about how to wind the bobbin and insert it into the shuttle. This is the way I do it. I know not everybody does it this way, but this is the only way that works for me. If I find I've put the bobbin in the wrong way, or if the hook is not facing the right way when I work, it causes me to catch the thread and drop my shuttle. So to wind the bobbin, I just start with holding the thread against the edge of the bobbin and start winding. I go around a few times just to get it started. And of course you can wind the whole bobbin like this, but what I find is that if I do it that way, the movement of going around and how it comes out of your fingers does cause a bit of extra twisting on your thread. So to prevent this, I like to use a little rubber mat like this or any other material that's got a bit of grip to it, and I roll my bobbin to fill it. Now to insert the bobbin, if you're looking at it from the top, you want it to be counterclockwise, wound counterclockwise if looking from the top. And looking at your shuttle, you want the hook to face the back, and you are inserting the bobbin in the back of the shuttle. So the thread is coming from the bottom like this, the back of the shuttle, and the hook facing backwards as well. And then I just use the mat and roll my shuttle on the mat like this to fill the bobbin, and this prevents twisting of the thread. But this is not necessary, and it works absolutely fine if you wind it by hand. And when I'm working, you also want the thread to come out of the back and the hook to face backwards. That's how I do it. That's it. Happy tatting. See you next time. Bye bye.